Today we're actually running our last event for a school holiday program. We've been able to have barbecues and pizza days and just bring families out and build community like that and make sure that we have a sense of belonging for all of our residents, including mums, dads, families.
Providing access to families in a time of crisis and a cost of living, and having free access to entertainment and something for the children to come out, engage, work with others, build skills and relationships is just really important.
The biggest thing that I've noticed here is just the engagement, how forthcoming all of the tenants are, the residents, and even the kids. Everyone's really involved.
The holiday program has just given me the opportunity to get to know the other residents, the other parents, make some new friends. And my kids, I just love seeing them be able to be creative, have fun and find new ways to play with the neighbours.
I like the school holiday program because it lets children to go out and have fun and paint pictures and have face paint and do chalk and bubbles and all that sort of fun stuff.
So we have a Play-Doh station, colouring in station. We've got bubbles. We have Connect 4. We've got Guess Who, and then we've just got other little bits and pieces like chalk.
What I like to do at this area is play Play-Doh and make stuff with my friends.
We're also doing some muraling as part of the program.
We've created this project to not only enlighten the area, engage the community, and just create a beautiful piece that people can look at forever and ever. Elements in the mural are Australiana flowers, so obviously wanted to do something Australiana for the area. So we like to get the kids involved, because if they get involved in the projects and the artwork especially, then they take ownership of it, so then it lasts a lot longer in the community.
The artist put paint on my finger and we just put those dots there. It was really fun because everyone got different colours.
To be out in the community and to inspire the next generation of artists is, you can't ever pay for something like that,
Me and my brother always go past to the shops or something, and it's just so beautiful to look at. And I can say, oh hey, I kind of helped with that.
The value of bringing these type of programs into the community is just building that sense of belonging, building that sense of trust and security, and also just allowing them to know that we're around, we're here for them, we want to support them in any way. And I think having these fun activities really brings all of that collaborativeness together.
I'd like to just say a big thank you to Penrith Council. I'd like to thank our other partners, NCNS, also Barnardo's, and a special thanks to our beautiful artist, Danielle, who without her would have been unable to produce the beautiful murals that we have in the park.